Hi, in this video we are going to talk about logical operators. For example, I have select star, so all the columns from the customers table where the country is equal to, for example, UK or England, I'm not sure. Let me check it. UK, yeah. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 entries with the constraint that the country is equal to the UK. And for example, we want to make sure that we select everything from the customers table where the country is equal to the UK, but we want to make sure that the city is equal to the capital, so London. So as you can see here, we have the cows. If we just select everything where the country is equal to the UK, but if we have this AND logical operator, this logical AND, we make sure that the country is equal to UK and the city is equal to London. So here it is true, so it will be returned. This one too, but this, it is not going to be returned by the select statement. And why? Because the city is not equals to London, it is the cows. So if I run it, then our algorithm is going to, or this SQL statement is going to select everything from the database table that has the country UK and the city London. So that's the AND operator. And we have another logical operator, the OR. So for example, we have the country is equal to the UK or the city is equal to, for example, Berlin. And it is going to return everything that has the country is equal to the UK. It is going to return because the country is equal to the UK. It is not Berlin, but it has the country UK. This first row is going to be returned with the help of this SQL command because the city is equal to Berlin. On the other hand, the country is not equal to UK, but I'm not sure whether you are familiar with the truth table of logical operators. So this or this statement should be true. And the country is equal to the UK. Here the country is not equal to the UK because it's Germany, but the city is equal to Berlin. So one of these two statements are true. And here it is London and not Berlin, but the country is equal to UK. So if I use the OR operator, it is going to return something like this. So that's all about. For example, if I would use the AND, the country is equal to the UK and the city is equal to Berlin, it is not going to return anything because the Berlin is a city in the country Germany and the country UK is not Germany, so it is the so-called disjunct set. I'm not sure whether you are familiar with complex mathematics, although it's not so complex, but anyways, it's not going to return anything. So that's all about logical operators. Thanks for watching.